Today I am at BIBA. I don't exactly know what to expect. My specific demand is on digitalization of my business processes. I need some assistance with that and want to see what options they might provide me with. This is Professor Freitag, a managing director at BIBA. I want him to explain the scope of this institute. BIBA conducts research in the areas of production and logistics. One topic we've worked on intensively these past few years is digitalization in such areas. In other words, Industry 4.0 and Logistics 4.0. What makes BIBA stand out is our integrative perspective on products and processes. We look at life cycles of products and the production logistics processes required to manufacture them. In doing so, we optimize processes for manufacturers as well as for logistics service providers, in particular port operators in the region. In this area, we develop the technical systems you can look at in the BIBA shop floor lab. In the shop floor lab, everything is already set up for my workshop. I will go there directly, where BIBA experts await me. We will start by looking at my business model. Is it up to date in terms of digitalization? We'll see in a minute. We will look at what my customers expect from me, what I have to offer them, and how digitalization could help me to introduce innovative business models. Based on all this, we will draw up a potential digital solution for optimizing my business processes. The result of the workshop is that we've worked out the requirements for a digital solution. Now, we need a prototype for that. But how should we proceed? To find out, I'll go over to the IoT Fab Lab in one of the BIBA labs where I can see how everything works in practice. They make prototypes and pre-series products out of electronic components there. Now that we've transferred this into our board layout, let's take a look at how we can turn this into a real product here at the IoT Fab Lab. A prototype has evolved from the product idea. A tangible and testable one, tailored to my needs. With the production data that we've transferred from the layout to the machine, it now takes about 3 minutes to create the finished product. Now, BIBA experts will help me try out my configured sensor on a demonstrator. I can use this sensor for a typical loading situation in project logistics. How can sensor data assist me here? What advantage does it give me? What practical benefit do I have? Decision-supporting information enable the crane operator to act proactively and prevent a collision of components with the ship's hull, for example. Now I have a solution tailored to my business. And I've got more inspiration and examples for how digitalization can be used for other production and logistics processes too. In production, collaboration between humans and robots is a hot issue. BIBA conducts research on this topic too. I will take a look at this using another BIBA demonstrator as an example. There is Professor Torben, another managing director at BIBA. I'm sure he can explain the concept of human-robot collaboration to me, HRC for short. For us, HRC is a key topic in the area of digitalization. We try to employ robots in proximity to humans, using so-called HRC solutions to do so. It's important for us to work with real processes, so we don't focus on small-scale experimental or lab solutions, but rather on industrial applications with industrial processes playing the main role. This means understanding precisely how such interaction works in detail, how much we can expect from human beings in this respect, and just how much interaction they will accept, but also what technology can be employed to protect them. That was quite exciting. What else can I explore? Here's a simulation showing how port processes can be planned and controlled interactively. Yet another example for how digitalization can help you monitor and optimize logistics processes. Together with the BIBA experts, I've scrutinized my process, developed a prototype, and gained information on further application fields. My next step will be to introduce the new solutions in my own operations. For me, it was a successful day. Anyone in search of ideas for employing digitalization in his own business should really get in touch with BIBA. I'll leave the closing remarks up to Professor Freitag.
We at BIBA
see it as our task to identify the challenges businesses face and seize on their potential to find solutions. To this end, we explore concepts, methods, and technologies that enable us to develop solutions together with the companies. Talking about it all is the first step. We at BIBA would like to invite you to pay us a visit.